Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a fantastic feature in Excel that will make your spreadsheet formatting a breeze. We'll be diving into the world of cell autofit and specifically focusing on how to autofit an entire column in Excel. Now, before we get started, let's quickly understand what cell autofit is all about. Have you ever encountered a situation where the text in your cell is cut off or doesn't fit entirely? Well, worry no more. Autofitting a column allows Excel to automatically adjust the width of the column to perfectly fit the content within it. This ensures that all your data is clearly visible without any truncation. To begin, let's select the column that we want to autofit. You can simply click on the column header to select the entire column. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and Space to achieve the same result. Once the column is selected, head over to the Home tab in Excel ribbon, look for the cells group, and within it you'll find the format option. Click on the small arrow next to it to expand the formatting menu. Within the formatting menu, you notice the autofit column width option. Click on it and voila, Excel will adjust the column width to autofit the content perfectly. Now here is a handy tip. If you want to autofit multiple columns simultaneously, simply select all the columns you wish to adjust and then follow the same steps we just demonstrated. Excel will automatically adjust the width of all the selected columns to fit their respective content. And there you have it. You know how to autofit an entire column in Excel. This simple yet powerful feature will enhance the readability and aesthetic of your spreadsheets, saving your time and effort in manual formatting. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you can apply this knowledge to your own Excel projects. If you've enjoyed the content so far and you'd like to see more, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Subscribing to the channel helps support us and ensures that you never miss an update. But remember, subscribing is completely optional and it's entirely up to you. If you find the content valuable and want to be a part of our community, we'd love to have you on board. Thank you for your support.